This Vision for Mac video tutorial shows you how to compare and contrast remedies using the repertory within the system. This is a really nice educational tool. You can use it simply as a learning aid, or you can actually use it in practice when analysing cases to help differentiate between remedies. And basically there's a special shortcut tool icon here called RxComp, Remedy Compare, that you would click to access this part of the system. Now this is a very busy and complicated screen, so I'm going to break it down for you and show you some very simple examples to get you up and running and started with these remedies. First of all, top left corner controls which repertories and which chapters you want to run your remedy comparisons on. You can choose any repertory that's within your system. I'm going to stick to combined because I know everyone has that. You can choose just the Mind chapter for quick ease access, or select individual chapters below if you want to limit your searching, or just leave it on the whole repertory and let it work with that. This section here is to do with families of remedies, which I'll come on to later. Over here on the right hand side are the remedies that you want to actively compare, and again it's a simple drag down scroll thing until you find the remedies you want, and when you find the remedy you want you just click it once and it goes into the selected box here, and I'll click another one. This is just to show you, to demonstrate how it works. So basically I'm telling Vision I want to compare all chapters of the repertory looking for these two remedies, and it sets the default, I'll explain these in a moment, to full, which means show everything we have for those two remedies in the whole repertory. And when I click compare, it will go through and find every rubric that has one of those remedies in. And as you can see here, you can see that the first remedy, Abies nigra, has dullness and dullness, whereas Abies canadensis has irritable, cross, morose feelings and is quiet. So you can actually build up a quite interesting picture in this way. And one of the useful things is the setting here. If you change the setting from full to differential, it will only show you those rubrics that have one and not the other. So on the one screen you can see Abies nigra is sad and depressed and quiet and dull, and you can kind of and those things the other remedy that you're contrasting doesn't have. So let me give you another example. To remove remedies from the selected list, you just click them again. Now to search a remedy without having to drag the cursor down, just click in this box here and type a few letters. I've typed lycopodium, select lycopodium, go back in this box and type a few letters to identify sepia. And now I'm going to say something different. I want to compare and contrast these remedies, lycopodium and sepia, and you can see here there's a section in the bottom left to do with keywords. I'm going to type the word sad, or to look for sadness or depression if you like. And so what I'm really saying to Vision here is I want you to look through the repertory looking for anything connected with sad or sadness, contrasting lycopodium and sepia, but show me the differences please. And then when I click compare, after a few seconds you'll get a big screen of all the differences in sadness or depression between these two remedies. So if you were treating a depression case or a sadness case and you were trying to decide between these two remedies, and the depression or the sadness was one of the key indicators in the case, you could use this to quickly find the differences in rubric. So for example you can see that lycopodium has sadness from anger, causeless sadness would be sepia. Sadness in children here is grade 3 sepia and not known at all for lycopodium. So in that way it can help you differentiate quite nicely between remedies at the point of prescription. I'm now going to click the clear button to clear that list and show you the final one, which is the use of the families option here. These are all the families that we have displayed within the system, and if I choose a family, for example cactus, you will see this as a quick shortcut. It preloads all the cactus remedies for you, and now I can just say, look, just show me all of the rubrics connected with Cactus Remedies that have at least 2 Cactus Remedies in them. Click compare, and it will scan through the whole repertory and very quickly show you anger has Cactus Carnegia, anxiety has Cactus Anhelonium, and you can actually build up a picture of the most common rubrics and themes running through all the Cactus Remedies. This is a great educational tool that you will use as you develop your knowledge of the vision system. So I hope that's helped you understand a little bit more about the Remedy Compare. As I said, it is quite a complex and sophisticated extraction facility, so please try and experiment with it and play with it and learn how to use it, and it will give you some really good results. Thanks for watching this video.